Many people buy land in Nigeria without understanding the documents that prove ownership, and this can lead to financial loss, disputes, and even losing the property. In today's video, I'm going to state 5 important documents that everyone planning to buy land needs to understand and know. And also, if you're interested in real estate investment advice and to make the proper decisions, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'm going to be educating you on the best real estate decision you can make, so you avoid some mistakes that people that do not know about this usually make. My name is Ajayolu Bome from Florida Property, and if you are interested in learning about real estate, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also give us a like. The first document that you need to understand is the survey plan. Yes, the survey plan shows the exact size, location, and also the boundaries of that particular piece of land. Please make sure you get the survey plan and also try and work with your surveyor so that they will help you check that survey plan if it is actually authentic, because this survey plan also help you to know if the land is free from governors acquisition, so that you will not buy a land that is under governors acquisition. Please work with your registered surveyor to know if the survey plan is actually genuine. Another document you really need to pay attention to is a certificate of occupancy. We also call it the C of O. The C of O is a document that the government issues. So after you buy the land, the C of O is used by the government to the buyer to confirm legal ownership of the land. Please make sure that you check for the C of O and confirm that the C of O is actually available and the owner of the land, person selling the land, has legal rights to make sales of the land and also transfer the land to you. That brings us to the deed of assignment. The deed of assignment is what shows that the person selling the land to you has actually transferred the land to you legally. So it's transfer of ownership. It should be correctly signed. It should be properly planned and correctly signed. So it proves that the land has been transferred to you and you are now the owner of that land. Then also, there's something we call governor's consent. When the C of O has been issued to the person selling the land, it could be a company, it could be a private, it could be a person, it could be one person that owns the land, and it could be a company that or group of people. So if they already have a C of O, that is the government has issued it to them a legal backing. So if they want to sell the land to you, they will have to get the governor's consent, because governor's consent will now prove that you are now the new owner of that land and you'll be legally recognized, and the transfer will be legally recognized that the land has actually been transferred to you after they've gotten the C of O. So the governor's consent is very important because it will prove that legally the government recognized that you are the new owner of the land. So in your particular situation, check with your real estate consultant to know if it actually applies to you. Then, of course, very important is the receipt of payments. Make sure you get an official receipt of payments from the company or the person selling to you. This receipt of payment should contain your name. It should contain the amount you have paid. It should contain the details of the document of the property you paid for, and also the date you made this transaction. Everything should be in the receipt of payments. So all of these documents, gather them together, keep them in a safe file for future reference in case there is anything that comes up. When you bring all these documents out to prove that yes, you are legally recognized as the owner of this land, and of course, the land will always be yours. You are going to be secured. Yes, and also make sure you verify these documents very well. As I said, work with professionals, property lawyers, real estate consultants, registered surveyors to confirm these documents are actually legally accepted, and also if they actually um original. So don't just see proof. Work with the professionals that know more and are experienced in this line to help you prove that the documents are actually legally acceptable. Real estate investment is a very huge step, and if you follow these procedures, you're going to avoid the costly mistakes that some people make. So you will not make investment without going through this and make sure that you are buying rights, and of course avoid the mistakes that comes with not really knowing about what you want to put your money into. If you like this video, if it has helped you one way or the other, please like the video, please subscribe to my channel, and also share it with someone you know that is planning to buy the land. Thank you very much. My name is Ajayi Olubumi from Florida Property. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.